In a previous video, we took a look at Ridgid's new 28-inch Ridgid mobile toolbox. And that video generated this question: will this box hold my Milwaukee framing nailer with extended magazine? So we figured we try to fit our Milwaukee framing nailer with extended magazine in a whole bunch of boxes. You could see one framing nailer with extended magazine fits in this DeWALT 2.0 box with its top tray in place, no problem. So we added a second framing nailer to the box. When we put in our top tray, closed the lid, we're able to latch it shut with no problem. Up next was Milwaukee's PACKOUT rolling toolbox. We put that framing nailer with extended magazine in there. We fit our top tray in place. We're able to latch that box shut. We went to add our second nailer. It was a tight fit. Matter of fact, so tight, we had a tough time getting our top tray in there. Got both nailers in, but that top tray wasn't gonna fit. So we reversed the nailer. We put our top tray, still wouldn't fit. We were able to latch our lid closed though. Next up was Ridgid's rolling toolbox. We got our extended magazine equipped framing nailer from Milwaukee in that box. Put our lid on, we were able to latch that thing closed, no problem. So we added a second framing nailer with a standard magazine. Put them side by side into the box. Don't forget to get subscribed and tap the bell and don't miss it. Put our lid on. Let's get down latch number 1. Let me see if I can get down latch number 2. No problem. Remember, there is no top tray in that rolling box from Ridgid. Now, let's move on to the subject at hand, the 28-inch Ridgid mobile toolbox. We got our framing nailer in there, and we're jostling it around, and you'll see it fits. But can we get it to fit with our top tray in place? And lo and behold, we're able to get our top tray in there and close our lid, latch it down. So we want to add a second framing nailer to see if we can get 2 for 1. A little adjustment. Gotta move in our second framing nailer. We got both nailers in there, but we just can't get that tray to fit. We're able to close our lid and latch down our latches, but we're going to lose our top tray. So yes, you can fit a single framing nailer with magazine in that rolling toolbox with its top tray. But if you want 2 framing nailers, you're going to have to leave that top tray out to roll onto the job.